What's up, everybody? You're doing Super Cottage TV and welcome to Vlogmas Day 14.
Them can't stop a star from shining. So I keep on winning, cause winning is all that matters. You're my family, my friends, my enemies. Go to win. I keep on winning, cause winning is all that matters. You're my family, my friends, my enemies. Go to win.
So today is December the 14th and hi. You want to say hi? Zani, come here. This is Zani, everybody. Say hi to everybody.
Hello,
What's your name?
Antoine.
Your name is Anton, right?
Yes.
Tell Kimon hi. Well, no, tell everybody hi.
Hello, everybody.
So this is Zani. You'll be seeing Zani a bit more in the Christmas, you know, because me and Zani are going to do some mukbang and thing, because more of no. You have one girlfriend?
Hmm?
You have one girlfriend?
No, man. You have one?
Many.
A good look. Yeah.
You know, I don't know why you're in a private life, you know. That's my private life, fam. That's my personal life, fam. Why need to know that, fam? Me ask you a question. Do you have one?
No.
Why?
I don't have a compensation for it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Whatever that is. so whatever that is. So today we're gonna cook. I don't know where saying that in that. So today we find some chicken back. Finally. Yo, a month no put some chicken back, cause you know, from this COVID thing size like everybody started chicken back. So we couldn't find no chicken back. So find some chicken back today and we're gonna do some curry chicken back and mashed potatoes, cause like I don't really feel the rice vibes. See, you them are coming waves.
It's a snack.
So I don't really feel the rice vibes or no yam or banana vibes. So I go buy some pound of Irish and get them for think of $200 a pound.
Say hello.
Hello Zani vlog. Say hello to my vlog.
Hello.
So Zani a vlog and me a vlog. So we're turn vlogger. So
Kadesh, Alright, so my friend Kadesh here is gonna do a joke at me. Do a joke at me.
you mean do a joke? What do you mean do a joke at you? I don't know how to do a joke at you. You see, this is what big brothers do. They influence their smaller brothers to do YouTube. So now my little brother, I started on a YouTube channel. You see that? Big move. No, come down. Not wrong balcony. This is literally the highest balcony. Hold on. So come, made something for that and come back. Yeah, see people. So as me I say, I find some chicken back for months, so I curry some chicken back and do some mashed potato and things. So during the day show today, go down and see that is supposed to season already. And thing. So stay tuned for the vlog. Oh, we find chicken back. The chicken back look good. Them back look like them back. Brethren, come on kitchen. Back can't take it. Why you know that kitchen?
Why not cut up you need? You need fat. Move, I ain't get cut. Chop the phone. Yes, because your phone too fast. Too much of my life.
That is it.
Yes, man. You gotta get your phone.
Now we listen. And look on where they actually get for your money. Yes, we actually get, and then this is basically what get. A 2 pound, you know. This about. This is about 2 pound of chicken, 2 pound of chicken back. So we do some chicken back, and as I tell you before, some mashed potatoes and things. This have like probably 800 or so, because extra dear. So yeah. Got the curry right here, well seasoned and thing. And we have pizza for the sweet potato. No, no, make it.
We'll mash with vegetables, but sweet potato and stuff together, you know?
Easy. Meanwhile, Daddy inside a cook. Ivan want wash the mobile. So we know the hose and the bucket and thing. So I have to wash the van. Cause right now we got car wash. Car wash is a fast thing, really and truly. When I have equipment at home, you have hose with a gun on it. You have bucket, you have rag, you have soap. Car wash are really like a fast move to say, oh, boom, I forgot car can fast. But if you're not for the yard and you have a car, why not just wash it? So, this is washing the car part 101. So, for all of who don't know how to wash their car, let me teach you. This is optional. You have the grease. This is the bottle. Hold on. So, this is the bottle of the grease. The grease is used to take away the grease of the vehicles and like seats and stuff like that. But let's say for like one of them parts here now, like open them parts here. You see before you like wash the car fully, you just spray this underneath it, and you just any grease each up on there, you just wash it down. So stay with me. I stay right here, so while I wash the car. Right here. So I'll spray it up on the fender then first. My knee still not good, but don't have to work. Alright, chicken walk on Korean loop. What? Korean buzz. So you have curry this one. And potato one chop. Food one chop. Yeah. Take him up now.
I will. Come on.
Don't spoil it.
Nope.
Here we go, beauty.
What do you think I would? Woman.
Potent style, on 101.
101?
Got that.
That's it on.
So, the day ran off, we just come up, as you can see, at night time now, just wash it and thing, and come up, and consume some food. At the same, I'm done cook and thing. I'm saying straight before left on the table, so, you see what I'm left, oh, let's see this. Oh, see, I'm showing them how. So, yes, you have some mashed potato, some curry chicken back, and some beans and things. So, I'm going to consume this and be it while fresh and just go and jam them and play some music and things. Hope and enjoy today's video. Remember if you always like, comment, no matter how small comment, be if it's a first, no matter what you say. Just always do a positive comment. I always like a video, remember to share with a friend, subscribe with 2K, more 2K before Christmas. So that time Christmas gift from one for everybody. So share with a friend, tell a friend to subscribe, tell a friend to subscribe, and share a movement. And as I always say, tell me what you want to see in the next video. And if we find where we can do it, then we'll sure do it. So I'm going to consume some food, eat this so we can get it up for the watch before we go to bed and thing. And yeah, Big up on yourself.